What up? Magnetic here. Let me go over something real quick with you guys. I'm getting a lot of phone calls on this machine that sometimes is having a problem starting. This is the MLG22. And the MLE means electric and MLG means gas. And this is the 22 version of the Maytag, the combo dryer washer. And they talking about having a problem starting. So I'm running it right now. It started fine, but if it keep giving me that problem, it's only two things to be. It's the reader not communicate with the computer, which they call the tech box. And when you order the tech box, it's good that you get the model and serial number of the machine. So this one right here is a WW1. You always look at the last numbers to know what is the program for. So on this one is the tech box. And I'm gonna let it run, but I just gonna show you guys what tech box is. So what you do is you'll pull out the soap drawer a little bit, and you see all the screws you got on here? Don't focus on all of them. Focus on the four corners, because that's what holds it in, is the four corners. You don't have to take out all the screws, just the four corner screws, right? See, that's top, bottom on each side. That's all you focus on. Top, bottom of the corners. The further screw in the corner is what you're gonna focus on, right? Let me put this over here so my hair could be free so I can just pull this tech box off and show you guys how it looks. See, it pulls right off. And this is how the tech box looks. It's a little box that you change. You only take off two screws and they got some two clips. Boom, pop it right off. You change that, and here's the reader sitting behind there. And this is what you call a cycle pay reader, which takes the money. And this is the chip that the phone connects to. So I just want to show you guys what the text box look like, what the reader look like. And if I have that problem, I'm gonna just go ahead and change it out. But that's one of the things you can look into when you're having that problem. And just to put it back and see, this is where it screws into. So there's only four corners, the outer corners that you're screwing into. The rest, you know, the touchpad, holding on to two right here, holding on the touchpad, and this right here, it's just holding on this plate. As you can see, the plate is flexing a little bit. So you got four screws, well, 6 screws holding on the plate. So all right, I just want to show you guys what the text box look like for the washer and dryer, the shares. There's another brain also up here, behind here. I'll show you guys that later, all right? So I just want to show you guys the tech box, all right? Magnetic.